of this training is the condition or the rule of the coil we need to prepare before do the rewinding.
So I learned actually the concept inside the motor and this transformer rewinding. So I also learned that hands-on how to rewind the motor and the what they call it, the calculation on this wiring winding for this transformer.
Yeah, he can explain about the technical and theoretically about the rewinding, but on my suggestion, please do more to the technical training. I mean to hang on to the real rewinding motor. Maybe need to stand by the real motor or real transformer so we can hands on 100% rather than theoretically only.
Very knowledgeable and willing to share.
So the service is good, like you provide the training, and then for the improvement, I suggest that one more to the technical.